now Gaga, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to create
a waterfall tie-dye gel polish design. Here is our waterfall and tie-dye examples that I'll be showing you how to create. You will need 3 colours of your choice. I have chosen cornflower, lippy and lavender. Along with top to bottom and a fine detailer brush. Start by applying a moderate amount of your first colour, my choice was cornflower, from side to side across the top of the nail. Next, apply your second colour, my choice was lippy, underneath the first colour. Then, apply your third colour, my choice was lavender, underneath the second. Repeat the same colours, one after the other, until you cover the nail length. Once you have covered the nail in colour stripes, you will need your fine detailer brush. Using a fine detailer brush, draw a line through the first colour pulling into the second, the third and so on until you get to the end of the nail. Wipe the excess of product off your brush. Repeat the same motion starting at the bottom of the nail, pulling the colours from bottom to top. Wipe your brush between each stroke. Repeat the first stroke next to the second line, pulling from the top of the nail to the bottom. Wipe your brush between each stroke. Repeat the second stroke from the bottom of the nail to the top. Wipe your brush between each stroke. Repeat the same motions, wiping your brush between each stroke until you finish the nail from side wall to side wall. Once you've completed the design and you're happy, cure in an LED or UV lamp. Once cured, apply top to bottom top coat over the full nail to seal the design and give it a high gloss finish, and cure in an LED or UV lamp. Use nail cleanser on a lint-free wipe to remove the inhibition layer. This design can be achieved with different colours. On a client, finish with the cuticle oil to hydrate the cuticles and surrounding skin. On to the tie-dye effect. You will need 3 colours of your choice along with top to bottom and a fine detailer brush. Create a dot in the centre of the nail, using a moderate amount of your first colour. I have chosen cornflower. Using your second colour, I have chosen lippy, create a circular outline around the centre dot. With your third colour, I have chosen lavender, create another circular outline around the second colour. Repeat the same colours, one after the other, in a circular motion until you cover the nail surface. Using your fine detailer brush, draw a line from the centre dot, pulling through the colours until you get to the end of the nail. Turn your brush, draw a line from the edge of the nail, pulling the colours to the centre. Return to the centre and repeat the first stroke. Repeat the second stroke from the edge to the centre. Carry on repeating the same motions, pulling from the centre to the edge of the nail and from the edge of the nail back to the centre in a circular direction until you meet back at your start point. Add extra strokes if required. Once you've completed the design and you're happy, cure in an LED or UV lamp. Once cured, apply top to bottom top coat over the full nail to seal the design and give it a high gloss finish and cure in an LED or UV lamp. Use nail cleanser on a lint-free wipe to remove the inhibition layer. This design can be achieved with different colours. On a client, finish with the cuticle oil to hydrate the cuticles and surrounding skin. Have fun creating your waterfall and tie-dye gel polish design. And hey, don't forget, share yours with us on our Facebook Nail Gaga Extra page. Thanks for watching!